Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from grape juice. First, gather your essential ingredients. 1 gallon of preservative-free grape juice, about 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 packet of wine yeast. Next, it's crucial to clean and sanitize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent unwanted bacteria. Finally, bring your grape juice to a comfortable room temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to prepare for the yeast. Now, let's get the fermentation started. Begin by dissolving your 1 cup of sugar completely into the room temperature grape juice. Then, rehydrate your wine yeast in about 4 ounces of warm, chlorine-free water for 10 to 15 minutes until it shows signs of activity. Gently stir this activated yeast into your sweetened grape juice. Finally, secure an airlock on your fermentation vessel. This allows carbon dioxide to escape safely while protecting your wine from outside air. After the initial fermentation, which typically lasts 5 to 7 days, it's time for racking. This process separates your wine from the accumulated sediment, known as lees. Gently siphon the wine from your primary vessel into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, being careful not to disturb the sediment at the bottom. Once transferred, seal the new vessel with an airlock and allow the wine to age for at least 4 to 6 weeks. This secondary aging helps clarify the wine and develop its flavors. Finally, it's time to bottle and enjoy your homemade wine. Before bottling, confirm that your wine is clear and that all fermentation activity has ceased. Thoroughly sanitize all your wine bottles and corks to prevent any contamination. Using a siphon and a bottle filler, transfer the wine into each bottle, leaving approximately 1 inch of headspace. Securely cork your bottles, and then store them horizontally in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks before savoring your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.